video a little different, man. You know what I'm saying? Hitting y'all with an instant pull off rip. You feel me? But hey, man, what going on? What good, man? Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? And hey, man, you know, I'm just out today. POVing to go 12. Out today, man. POVing, chilling, vibing, cooling. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. And, you know, we just straight to it. Straight to it. Cutting up in a little traffic. I see we got a little, you know what I'm saying? A little traffic, man. Slight little cut up, making a little noise. Night day outside though. Oh dang, boy, my bad car. I tried to scrape my damn ear. I done damn hit the camera. My bad, bro. Just something slight, man. When it came out for a cruise, and I was like, I might as well get a little POV, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to bring y'all more quality videos. I ain't gonna try to keep just dropping a lot, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be more like, you know what I'm saying, more like trying to quality over quantity, you feel me? But you know, the POV like these ain't never, you know what I'm saying, ain't never wrong. It just depends on, you know what I'm saying, how you do it. Olivia sounds amazing, dude. Like, it just don't make no sense. It's a lovely Sunday, man. I be like, dang, bro, y'all can't. I won't never have nothing going on, man. Damn. And for wonder why I go to the city when I can, man. It always content, always something to do. You feel me? Especially on days when everybody's supposed to be free. Everybody be being so secretive now. You know what I'm saying? Niggas making separate group chat. Niggas only want to hang with certain niggas. To an extent, like they make it weird though, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with who you pick to hang out with, but them niggas make it weird. Like it be niggas that you used to hang out with, and niggas get a new car or something, but niggas be forgetting who the hell they is, boy. That don't be so crazy to me, boy. I'm like, y'all boy, now you know a nigga lame. nigga let a car make a thing cool, but you ain't cool, bitch. Your car, alright. Your car just stand out. You still lame. That be the funny part. Look at this Challenger, bro. Look at this Challenger tripping. Man, well, you trying to get a cat, ain't you? You ain't got no, you got dark tint. Acting like you can't damn see. Uh-oh. We ain't doing nothing, man. We just making noise. Making a little noise, that's all. Bro, Olivia sounds so good, car crew, bro. Y'all niggas just don't know, man. Y'all boys just don't know, man. They got a TRX over that motherfucker. Yo, them. Mustang right here. Probably scared the hell out of this. Man, somebody always trying to copyright me, bro. Damn. Turn that crap off, man. Or turn it down. What are they doing? But do y'all see these folks? The light beam, what the fuck? But these folks, boy. But these folks gotta chill. I don't know what kind of drug these folks be on now, boy. These folks be wild, boy. Oh, that gotta be that Jeep in front of me. Yeah, car, really, it just look, you know what I'm saying? Me cutting up in traffic, you feel me? Ain't nothing. But it look like my old car behind me. I thought it was. I don't know. It looked like it. I can't tell. I can't keep riding my brother. There you go. Yeah, get your. Yeah, going on, man. Yeah. But yeah, man. Just, you know what I'm saying? A little cruising through traffic, man. You know what I'm saying? A little 2 o'clock traffic. You know what I'm saying? It's a little busy. Y'all just can't see. I done caught everybody eating right now. But yeah, man. Y'all comment down below what video y'all like to see, man. Give me some ideas, bro. I be trying to, you know what I'm saying? I be trying to get right, you know what I'm saying? I can't think of everything. Sometimes y'all may think of something I probably will overlook, you feel me? That y'all might like. That's why I ask y'all to, you know what I'm saying? Give your boys an idea or DM me on Instagram. You don't want everybody to know you come here. I don't know. I mean, either one, like, just let your boy know, man. Cause that's how we get it at 10K. Car through that how we get it at 20K, you know what I'm saying? We gotta help each other out, bro. Y'all the smart ones. You feel me? I'm just here to entertain. Y'all don't want to help me do it. Well, yeah, man. Just a quick little POV, you feel me? Nothing too crazy, nothing too, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too wild. I might just turn around, ain't gonna lie. Cause it's a long road. Ooh, but I know y'all hit on burbles, bro. Come on, bro. They're like my old car for real. Look. No, it ain't. It's a bit ugly. Mine was hard. Oh, man. I ain't gonna lie, car crew. Every time I be doing a video, I'll be by myself. Y'all niggas ever notice that, bro? I always be by myself, bro. I wonder what that mean. I mean nobody don't fuck with your boy. Oh. Turn around, boy. Oh, Olivia, don't hit that curb. People would look. I wish I had 360 views so y'all could just see everybody's face, bro. Folks be looking like, what the hell is that? But by the time I see them, they be way in the back. The camera ain't gonna see it. Y'all ain't gonna even see it. But y'all see how we coming, man. Slight little work. In sport mode, by the way. You know what I'm saying? The sport mode, you feel me? Oh my, bro, Olivia is popping. Hey, y'all comment down below. Y'all want me to teach y'all boys how to make your scat or almost any car pop. If you got an 8-speed, I don't know about the 10-speed. It might be the same thing. I don't think it got nothing to do with the transmission, kind of like the RPM. Just something slight, man. Y'all see we in traffic. It's a Bentley over there. I wonder how old it is. If they got cars like that, it'd be probably like Bentleys be looking new, even when they old. That'd be probably like a 2008. Looking like a 2014. Oh, now we got a grandma. Bro, come on, bro. How you in the left lane driving slow, bro? Oh, then you got this guy. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to teach y'all to make the car pop. I mean, I know how to do it, but then, you know, sometimes it depends on the car too. It'll get there. You know what I'm saying? And then you got stuff like that. Then you got stuff like this, man. I'm sorry, man. I can't let you through. It's already too late. I'm already too close. Nobody else ain't gonna let you over either. My bad, boy. My bad, bro. Oh, Lord. Y'all hear that, bro? Bro, that jump bounce off of other cars. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy. Watch. That's a black wing. I lie. Oh. But yeah, man. I know I ain't really talking that much, but I'm really just driving. Cause I started out just cruising, like, you know what I'm saying, just to get out of the house, man, and just, you know what I'm saying, like therapeutic, you feel me? Like, just, it kind of get yourself out your head a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Get out your head too much, you know what I'm saying? And I might be productive at least, you know what I'm saying, record this. It might get posted, you know what I'm saying? When I posted that, y'all go watch my last video, man, drifting every turn, you know what I'm saying? That video going crazy right now, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all showing mad love, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate all y'all, man, for showing mad love. Oh, dang. Bro, 12 just, what the world? Bro, that car, I didn't even know that car was 12. That bitch just turned the lights on and just, I don't even know what's happening. Oh, damn. Sport mode there. I be driving the sport like that. That baby be hitting, boy. Sport mode be hitting, boy. Oh, come on, Expedition, please, boy. Unless you got insurance to give me a cat, red eye that. I'm talking about to pay the whole thing, the whole thing, and I need that check in less than a month. No kidding. That jump funny, bro. Be so many folks in here saying tree lingo, bro, and it be funny like you know what I'm saying, cause they be saying it harder than he said. But you know, that love though, that's hard. That's hard. But yeah, man. That's what we out here on that warm day, you know what I'm saying, 79 degrees. You know what I'm saying, on a light day. They say a light day, man. Got the window down, you know, they crack, you know what I'm saying? The wind blowing kind of hard, pollen everywhere. You feel me? It's that time. That time of the year. Was that him doing that? I want to have a big crew. I want to host a big cruise car crew like in my city or city that little crew. We ain't got to do nothing crazy. Just get like 20 cars, bro. We all ride in line like how they basically like how you do at a funeral home, bro. Like you going to a wedding. I mean, I said a wedding, boy. I'm tripping. I said a funeral. When you doing a funeral home, bro. And y'all having a funeral, you know what I'm saying? Like when everybody leave, I don't know why I said wedding, bro. I don't know where that came from. I'm tripping. I was looking at that Challenger while I was talking. But yeah, bro, when you look at a Scat, B5 blue Scat. But yeah, man, when you going to a funeral, bro, and everybody ride like in the line, you know, obviously we'll be making a little noise, you know what I'm saying? We gotta go too crazy, you gotta speed or nothing, break the law, but like, you know what I'm saying? Just vibe, bro. That don't be cool, bro. Like that don't just be hard. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. That don't just hard, bro. That's why, man, I don't know, man. I might think about moving, bro. I ain't gonna cap. I'm talking about moving to another state. You know what I'm saying? Going to the state where the whip's at. To do what I do, bro. What I do now, what I'm doing here, if I did it in the other state I want to go in, bro, I would have been at 10K, bro. And then the people that be there, bro, I probably been at 20K, 30K, bro. I'll be one, all of y'all favorite YouTubers. Oh my gosh. But you know what I'm saying? I get there anyway. I'm gonna get there regardless. But you know, it is what it is. But yeah, man. Want me to launch this bit? You got a little dip in the road, ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna launch it with without launching it. I lied, man. pound shift is, it don't even make sense, bro. Like when you hear it, I don't really be paying attention, but when you hear that bit, bro, you ain't even gotta say nothing when you hear that bit. That's crazy. You ain't even gotta say nothing, bro. The car speaks for itself, bro. Yeah, man. That probably gonna be a wrap, man. I just wanted to, I'm cruising really, man. Just get my mind, you know what I'm saying? Just getting out the crib, bro. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling. But I want to tap in with y'all, boy, man. To get y'all, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all a little POV, something slight, man. Something for you to look at, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got nothing to do. You know what I'm saying? Show support to your boy. That bitch got a big ass motherfucker on that, man. Tip on that bit. But yeah. I'm finna, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see what's going on here, them boys. What's still going on? I give y'all one little pull, you feel me? Not gonna be a wrap. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? And all my folks that be out there doing your thing, bro. Keep going, keep striving, keep pushing. Don't give up so easily, bro. Give it your all, you know what I'm saying? Be smart, but give it your all, you feel me? Take a few risks that that's okay to take, you feel me? That you can, if it don't work out, you know what I'm saying, you still bounce back, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all boys just do that, man. If all my religious folks stay prayed up, man, you know what I'm saying, keep God in your life, keep him in the mix. And try your best, man. I know we got bad habits, we gotta break them habits, bro. I gotta break my own habits myself. You feel me? But hey, we gonna get there. We're gonna get there, car crew. But yeah, man. Like I also said in my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.